It's a new thin and light made by Toshiba that is coming out right around the time of Windows 7 launch, which is now. It actually has Windows 7 Home Premium pre-installed, and the thing you need to know is that there are a couple of configurations of this laptop that are out there. It's 13 inches, it doesn't have an optical drive, and inside is an Intel ultra-low voltage processor with a kind of a confusing name. We reviewed another version of this called the S1300, both of which have a sticker that says Intel Pentium inside. Now the S1310 has a dual-core Pentium processor called the SU4100. Now there's a huge difference between that and the SU2700, which is in the S1300 that we also reviewed. I know that sounds incredibly confusing, but what it boils down to is a single-core ultra-low voltage processor kind of behaves a little better than a netbook, while a dual-core will take you a little more along the lines of a full Core 2 Duo type processor. And in fact, this one performed really well and had a great battery life of over 6 hours. The cost is $699, or an extra $10 if you want to change the paint color to the snazzy red or white. If you want to save $10, you can take it in black. While its single-core cousin sells for $599. For an extra $100, in the S1310 model, you get a dual-core processor, a 320 gig hard drive, an extra gig of RAM at a faster speed, and Bluetooth. So in our opinion, it's a great deal. If you're going to buy one of these, definitely go with the S1310. Unfortunately, there are a couple of negatives about the laptop. We're not a huge fan of this keyboard. It's a little flat and a little bit greasy to our taste. And the trackpad's a tiny bit small. And strangely, the buttons beneath it are a little bit larger than the trackpad itself. We also really didn't like the speakers all that much. They're really quiet and tinny. If that doesn't bother you and you're looking for